My name is KINGA KRAUZE. I am from Poland, from European Regional Center for Eco-Hydrology, and I'm also representing demo site of the city of Łódź here.
So, talking about the demo site, would you mind giving a little brief summary about some of the challenges and possible solutions related to your area?
The city of Łódź is a previous capital of textile industry in Poland. So it's a pretty post-industrial city with many rivers channelized, and now it's experiencing a very rapid urban sprawl due to change of value of property and, of course, relocation of businesses in the city. So our problem started to be pluvial floodings, for example, but also urban heat island, for example. We have also bad experiences in influence of environment on human health and, of course, biodiversity. So as it is impossible to foresee influence of climate, for example, or demographic changes on future of the city, it's good to build a kind of buffer for its development in the future. So we think that nature-based solutions and blue-green infrastructure could be such a buffer. So it has enough resilience to secure resilience for the city as such.
So you talked about some of the unique traits of this area and how these nature-based solutions could serve as a buffer. Is that what the ultimate goal of the demo site is to prove?
Well, currently, Łódź undergoes kind of very important changes. For example, we have one of the biggest European projects for city revitalization, and the whole city center is to be rebuilt, almost literally. So for us, it's very important to know, for example, which type of green infrastructure can be associated with particular types of nature-based solutions, and how this greening of the city center under the process of revitalization, which is both infrastructural and social, can change the conditions people live in the future. And of course, currently we experience more and more serious droughts and heat waves in summer months, followed by very heavy rains, which imposes a lot of threat to city center. So we believe that by greening the city, we are able to store enough water to combat both threats, so droughts and pluvial flooding.
And what might be a replicable characteristic of this? What can we take away to help scale up NAIAD? What can we take away from this lesson we're going to learn in the city?
Well, we have some experience already in application of nature-based solutions for improvement of water quality in city rivers, which is kind of challenge because they are still connected to stormwater system, for example. So we try to apply biotechnology and eco-hydrological regulations just to reconnect the river with its floodplain and with vegetation, with some good results for water quality. And we have good examples, for example, for rehabilitation of touristic sites in the city where reservoirs are used as recreational areas by inhabitants, and suffered a lot due to very poor water quality and also some after rainfall loads of pollutants. So we have some NBS there already, which can be reapplied somewhere else, and we already know efficiency of this NBS. What we want to learn from other cities is how they dealt with NBS, for example, in strict city centers. So what can we apply to be more efficient where we don't have enough green areas?